Hey guys, I haven't made a video in what, 3 days now? I just needed a little break and I wasn't even planning on doing that. I don't know, did it spontaneously. So yeah, that wasn't planned or anything, and I didn't even like do anything special those 3 days. I just needed a little break. So in today's video, I want to talk to you about some lip products that, when you are trying to figure out what products to put together, sometimes it's hard to find exactly the right combos. So I have a couple that I'm going to show you. Now, this one, you have seen this combo before, so I didn't buy anything new to do this combo, but I wanted to take this opportunity to talk about the Maybelline liners because they are so good, you guys. They are comparable to something you would buy at Sephora or the expensive side of Ulta. But the formula on these is so good. Now, I know a lot of people don't like pencils that they have to sharpen, but there are definite advantages to buying those types of lip pencils. When you buy the kind that twist up, they dry up fast, and then one day after you've had it for a very short amount of time, when you pull the cap off, the thing will break off and go flying, and that's the end of your lip pencil. So don't buy the twist ups. It's just not worth it. You're wasting your money because they're gonna fall apart or not be good for very long. But when you buy the kind that you sharpen, um, it's going to last so much longer, and the formula is always way better. Trust me on that. So, anyways, if you're looking for a really good lip liner from the drugstore, you cannot beat these new Maybelline lifter liners. So, the one that I'm wearing today is called Fine Line, and I paired it with one of the Maybelline lifter glosses. This one is in Petal. These are so beautiful, you guys. They have the most gorgeous finish, and they smell nice, and they go on beautiful. So yeah, that's what I have on right now is Maybelline Fine Line Liner with Maybelline Lifter Gloss in Petal. So that's what this looks like. And before I move on to the next combo, I just wanted to briefly mention what I have on my eyes. I bought two more colors of the e.l.f. Finest Fleck eyeshadows that just came out, and I have on the one called Straight Fire. And I have that on with a Revlon Colorstay cream shadow in Espresso, or actually Espresso. No, it says Espresso. So this is my base color. I put that on the lids and in the crease. It's like a cool tone brown. And then this is the shadow itself. Now this is supposed to be red and green, but when I look at it, I see red and blue. And I'm not colorblind, so yeah, maybe like a teal. It's like a greenish blue or a bluish green, but that's what I have on my eyes. I am so into these subtle, sparkly, glittery eyeshadows these days. You guys, I just can't get enough of them. I just like the look so much better than more of a saturated color on my eyes. So there's only one shade now of these that I don't have, and it's out of stock, and e.l.f. will notify me when it's back in stock again, and that's the brown one. But I'm dying to try that just because I can't try it, you know? You always want what you can't have, I guess. So I have one more combo that I'm going to show you, but first let me shut off the camera and remove this, and then we'll move on to the other one. Okay, now this combo is way more of a neutral color. The last one had quite a bit of color to it, and you wouldn't think it would to look at the actual products. But this one, when you just want something really neutral, this is like a cool tone brown, I would say. And I used to have this gloss a while ago, and it had to be thrown out because of its age. Well, I missed it, so I repurchased it. I'm talking about the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in Stone. So yeah, it's like a cool tone brown, I would say. And then I bought the Maybelline Lifter Liner in the shade On It, and these two are perfect for each other. So those two go together really well. And what else was I gonna say? Oh, yeah, let me do some swatches. So just so you can see the colors when they're not on my lips, because when you put lipstick, lip liner, lip gloss, whatever on, it's gonna look different on everybody because everybody's lips are a different color. So this is not gonna really show you like the true color. It's the color of the products mixed with the color of my lips. So yeah, let me swatch these things for you. So this is the liner On It with next to Stone. Okay, so that's the color of those two. And then the first one I showed you, which is Fine Line, is the liner, and Petal is the gloss. I know people love swatches, and a lot of times I just forget to do them. Okay, so that's Fine Line and Petal, and that's On It and Stone. So depending on what you're going for, this has a lot of sort of like a pinky red or a reddish pink color, and then that's more of a brown. So depending on what you want with your makeup, those two combos go together perfectly. Yeah, I really love these liners. I really love these glosses. You can't go wrong with them. If you've never tried either one of them, I pretty much guarantee you will like them. I love everything about them. And yeah, so just wanted to show you those and talk a little bit about my eye combo, just because I just got it, and today was actually the first time that I've used this eyeshadow. If you ever want to know anything that I'm wearing for makeup or anything really, clothes, jewelry, whatever, I always list it in the description box, so you can have that information whenever you want it. So thank you so much for watching and subscribing, and you know what to do. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.